Take E14, E15, and 4 1/2-inch screws. Mount E14 to side 1 of the body. Mount E15. Insert both 12-inch smooth rods from side 2 of the body and through the Z-axis unit. Take E16, E17, and 4 1/2-inch screws. Mount E16 to side 2 of the body. Mount E17. Oil as needed and slide the Z-axis to lubricate. Insert the bronze bushings on side 1 and on side 2. Thread in the 12-inch threaded rod. Thread on the 1/4-20 lock nut. With the leather grip and vice grips, take hold of the rod. With the 7/16 socket wrench, tighten the lock nut. Attach the magnet and superglue. Mount the encoder with the 1-inch screws or 3/4-inch screws and spacers as earlier. Take E12 and mount the servo motor using the 2 larger screws provided with the servo. Attach the acrylic gear and mount using the small screw provided with the servo. Mount the servo to side 1.